Hi, this is Thomas from Apex Game Tools. In this video we're going to look at the steering scanner in Apex Steer. The steering scanner is a support component that provides information about other units in a unit's vicinity. So let's have a look at the different properties. The first is the scan interval. This is the number of seconds between each scan. So the lower this value, the more precise information about other units will be given. And the higher it is, the less accurate it will be. And obviously the higher it will also run fewer times, so the performance will be higher. The default value of 0.2 is sufficient in most cases. Now the scan radius is how far away from the unit that the unit will actually scan for other units. And then we have the forecast distance, which is how far ahead of the unit that this scan circle will be projected. So the default value of 1 means that instead of being centered around the unit, it is actually centered 1 meter in front of the unit. And then we have two options at the end: the sort units with distance. If checked, units after having been scanned, they will be sorted with the closest units to the front of the list. This is used by some other components, Steer for separation and Steer for unit avoidance, for some of their options. It is obviously optional. It is the bulk of the processor time used for this component is actually with sorting units. So if you don't need it, if you're not using the options that require this on the other components, then you should switch it off. And finally, we have filter away units in the same group. This is not an option you are likely to use. It will remove, well, obviously, other units that are in the same group as this unit. But since Steer for separation actually uses this scanner for separating from other units in its own group, if you're using separation, you would never want to tick that option. So that's it for this component. See you in the next video.